Hello class, today we're going to learn about website analytics. Now this may be something you've heard of once before or may never have heard of this. So to just define what website analytics are, we're going to take a look at the Wikipedia definition, which says website analytics is the measurement, collection, analysis, and reporting of web data for the purposes of understanding and optimizing web usage. Basically what this means is every business or every person that has a website wants to know what's going on with their website. Is it working the way it's supposed to? Are people using it in the best way? And so behind every website there are computers running programs to measure what's happening on their website. And what these programs typically measure are things like how many people are coming to the website. And they want to know who those people are, information about them, their buying habits, what they like, gender, all those types of things. And they want to capture information about you, account information like email, so they can send you emails and market to you. And all of this is done with the hopes that you will buy from them. And if you don't buy from them, then website analytics, they try to understand why you're not buying. So this is basically what website analytics do, is help the companies see how people are engaging with their website, how people are using their website.